Hi students, welcome to our video class. Today we will see about chapter 2 number system workshop sum 3. Let's now we will see it. This is workshop sum. Third sum is convert decimal to binary, octal, hexadecimal. Then how to convert this one means using division by 2 method. So what is the number? 1920. In this number we convert divided by 2 method. 2 ஆல divide பண்ணணும். 8 2s are sorry 9 2s are 18, remaining 1, 6 2s are 12, remaining 0, then remainder is 0. Then again 2 ஆல divide பண்ணணும். 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 0, the remainder is 0. Then again 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, remainder 0. Then again 2, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 0, remainder is 0. Again 2, 6 2s are 12, 0, remainder is 0. Then again 2, 3 2s are 6, 0, remainder is 0. Again 2, 15 2s are 30, remainder is 0. Again 2 ஆல divide பண்ணணும். 7 2s are 14, here remainder is 1. Then again 2, 3 2s are 6, remainder is 1. Again 2, 1 2 is 2, remainder is 1. So how to write this one? Bottom to top. To write this number, bottom to top. So what is the answer? 1920 base value 10 is equal for the binary value. How many ones are here? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 4 ones and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 base value 2. So the answer is 4170 base value 2. So write this answer last remainder value to first remainder value. So this is the conversion of decimal to binary. Then after this, to convert in this binary value to octal and binary value to hexadecimal. How to convert means just I show it now. We got the binary value this one, then using this one we convert to octal and we convert to decimal. Now we will do it. How it possible? So what is the answer? 1920 base value 10 is equal to 1 2 3 4 4 1 and 7 zeros. So here to convert octal. So octal number we dividing the digits right to left 3 digits. So we divide 1 2 3, then 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Then last two digits வந்து again 3 digits form பண்ணணும். So adding one more 0 here. So using this chart, so what is the equivalent value for this binary value? So what is the value for 0 1 1? 0 1 1 is 3. This one is 3. And 1 1 0. What is 1 1 0? That is 6. Then 0 0 0 is 0. Then 0 0 0 is 0. So what is the octal value for 9120? Sorry, 1920, 1920 base value 10. The equivalent of octal value is 3600 base value 8. So this is conversion of octal. So next to convert the hexadecimal. So how to convert the hexadecimal using this binary value? So what is the binary value? 4 1 and 7 0. So So in this hexadecimal value, to divide the 4 digits right to left, then to divide this one 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4, then last there are 3 digits only, so we are adding one more 0 to form 4 digits. So what is the equivalent of this one? 0 1 1 1. So what is the answer? 0 1 1 1 7. Then what is the equal for 1 triple 0? 1 triple 0 is 8. Then this is equal for 0. So what is the hexadecimal value? 1920 base value 10. Answer is 780 base value 16. So the answer for 1920 base value 10 is equal to 780 base value 16. Base value 16. So this is hexadecimal answer. So this is conversion of decimal to binary, octal and hexadecimal. So the same third workshop, the second sum. Second sum is the question 255 base value 10. So convert same like that to convert the binary, octal and hexadecimal. So how to convert this one? Using division by 2 method. So 255 divided by 2. So 1 2 is 2, then 5, 2 2s are 4, then remainder 1, remaining 1 is here. Then 15, 7 2s are 14, remainder is 1. Then again 2 divided by 2 method, 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6, remainder is 1. Then again divided by 2, 3 2s are 6, 1 2 is 2, remainder 1. Again 2, 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10, remainder 1. Again 2, 7 2s are 14, remainder is 1. Again 2, 3 2s are 6, remainder is 1. Again 2, 1 2 is 2, remainder is 1. And how to write this one? Bottom to top. That means last remainder value to first remainder value. The answer is combined together all values, last remainder value to first remainder value. So what is decimal to binary? So what is the answer? All are 1. 255 base value 10 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 ones 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 base value 2. So this is decimal to binary. Next, to convert octal value. So what is octal value? So write the in this binary value, how many ones are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then how to divide this one? Right to left divided 3 digits, divided by 3 digits. So 1 2 3, this is 1, 1 2 3, this is 1. Finally only 2 digits are there, so adding one more 0. So to find out the equivalent of this value, octal value. So 0 1 1. So what is the octal value for 0 1 1? The answer is 3. This one is 3. What is the value for triple 1? The answer is 7. Then again triple 1, the answer is 7. So what is the octal value for 255? The equivalent, decimal equivalent of octal value is 377 base value 8. So this is octal. The next, to convert the hexadecimal value. So how to convert the hexadecimal value means write the same binary value. So what is the answer for binary? Binary value 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is hexadecimal. So what is the binary value? 8. So this number divided into 4 digits, splitted into 4 digits, right to left. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So what is the answer for 4 1? that is hexadecimal value is F. That is the decimal equivalent is 15. The hexadecimal value is F. So this is F. Then again 41 is F. So what is the value for 255? Base value 10 is equal to F base value 16. So this is hexadecimal conversion. The same workshop sum, the third sum is 126 base 10. So same to convert decimal to binary, octal and hexadecimal. So how to convert? Using division by 2 method. So the question is 126 base value 10. So it's using repeated division by 2 method. So first 2 ஆல divide பண்ணனும். 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6, remainder is 1. Then 3 2s are 6, 1 2 is 2, remainder is 1. So sorry, here remainder is 0. Then again 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10, remainder is 1. Then 7 2s are 14, remainder is 1. Then 3 2s are 6, remainder is 1. Then 1 2 is 2, remainder is 1. How to write this one? Bottom to top. That means last remainder value to first remainder value to write it combined together. So what is the answer? 126 base value 10 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 1 and 1 0 base value 2. So this is equivalent of binary. So next to convert the decimal equivalent of octal number in this 126. So what is the answer? So just to find out now octal value. So what is the answer? 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 and 1 0. Then how to divide the 3 digits? Right to left divided into 3 digits. 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. Here only 1 is left. So just to add 2 0. So what is the answer for 0 0 1? 0 0 1 is 1. Then 1 1 1 is 7. Then 1 1 0, that is 6. So what is the octal value? 176. The decimal equivalent of 126 base value 10 is equal to 176 base value 8. So this is octal equivalent. The next to convert hexadecimal. So next to find out the hexadecimal value. So what is the answer? The binary value 111161 and 0. Just to left, right to left divided into 4 digits. So 1 2 3 4 and here 3 more digits are there. So add only 1 0 here. So what is the equivalent of 0 111? 0 111 is equal for 7. Then 1110, that is equal for 1110, that is equal for E, 7E. So the equivalent of decimal value is 14. So equivalent of hexadecimal value is E. So what is the answer? 126 base value 10 is equivalent of the octal hexadecimal number is 7. E base value 16. So this is hexadecimal equivalent. Thank you, students.